Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, ZBCN traders, lovers, investors. We have to keep you posted on the recent dump on ZEBEC and on the entire crypto market, obviously. But we have some development on the ZEBEC charts that you need to pay attention. You need to be aware of it, and you don't want to be listening to all the ZEBEC clowns and the ZEBEC moon boys, which never watch the downward risk and will never tell you the risk on the charts. Okay, so make sure to subscribe, click the like, and share it on your X. Now, look, this is ZBCN. Look, what happened in Friday is concerning. Okay, it's concerning and it's very, very bad. Okay, now, look, we got rejected from this trend line that we've been watching. All right, you can see this trend line. You have a double top on this trend line. Okay, you can see the double tops here, the two WEX or topping tails. I'll show you the 4-hourly. You can see you had a retest, boom, dump, then a retest, and mega crash. This is no joke. Okay, now it shows you the significance of the downward trend, and it's not a coincidence. Okay, obviously the Bitcoin crash made ZBCN collapse that bad, but still, how much was it? The crash was almost 50%, 45% crash. Okay, obviously now it's hovering on around the 37, but still now there is risk that you need to be aware of. Okay, and we actually got rejected from this trend line. Now for me, I'm not buying it below this trend line. Okay, I'm gonna wait for it to break above this trend line. If it can do that, all right, we might not be able to do that now with the general market the way it is. We might need more time to consolidate or down and then break later. Who knows? You gotta be ready. Now it can also again, if Bitcoin trigger a bear market, maybe ZEBEC will enter its own bear market. Okay, but again, this is what you want to watch now. We dropped below the 50-day and we dropped below the 100-day. These two major moving average, which is not good. Okay, now you can see it's still above the 200. The 200 is the daddy. Okay, if it starts closing below the 200, losing the 200, it's gonna be bad. Okay, as long as it's above the 200, it's still okay. It still can recover. Okay, now if it recover here, boom, I'm buying here. I'm buying, and I'm gonna share alert on the membership and in the VIP. We're gonna buy ZEBEC. Now we don't touch ZEBEC. We had some ZEBEC here. We bought some here, and we got stopped out on the dump here on around the 45-ish, and it's okay. It's okay. Actually, took a little, actually kind of break even on the trade. On ZEBEC, we actually made very nice ROI on some shorts we had before the dump, which made some nice bling, 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 bling to our account. But look, regarding ZEBEC, man, now we have a risk. I will show you the risk. Okay, now it's obviously you gotta watch Bitcoin. You gotta watch Bitcoin when you trade ZEBEC because ZEBEC is an altcoin and Bitcoin is the daddy. Okay, now remember, this is a trend line no one is watching. Okay, no one is watching this trend line again, especially not hodlers or baboons that just watch rubbish tech schmeck on X nonsense. Now you can see this trend line connecting the 2017 peak, 2021 peak, 2021 peak. We have actually two peaks here. 2024 peak and in the late 2024, and we have August 2025 peak, and now October looks like a peak. Now, what's so significant about this trend line? This trend line was, you can call it the cycle top trend line. This trend line is the most important trend line in crypto for Bitcoin. Look, it clearly smashed the Bitcoin tops all the cycle. Okay, bam, 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 bam. From 2018, where this trend line, 7 years trend line, you can see Bitcoin just cannot break it. And it doesn't matter what they tell you. The Michael Saylor is buying, BlackRock, all the fluff and the snake oil they send you. It's all BS. Because at the end of the day, Bitcoin tested this trend line, got rejected late 2024. This was the first test of this cycle. Then we had here, kind of, you can say that was a test in 2025, pulled back to get momentum, broke above it, came back, got smacked down, came back, got smacked down, bam. Again, now we just had another high at 126 and got smashed back down like a pee-pee. Looks like a pee-pee man is peeing on Bitcoin. You can see this pumping and dumping, high volatility. That's not bullish. That's not bullish. High volatility, it's not bullish. They will tell you, oh, it's just in the range. It's okay. Yeah, it can continue. It can push higher. It can bounce and recover. I'm not saying it cannot, but you gotta be paying attention. There are risks and bearish winds, and if Bitcoin start losing this level, the 107 and the 100, look down below, my friend. Your altcoin is going to collapse completely. Now, ZEBEC again is still under this trend line. If ZEBEC can break out above this trend line, obviously I'm going to trigger a position. I'm going to have a very nice big long there. I believe it can make a move. It doesn't matter if Bitcoin trigger in a bear market or not. If it can break out the downward trend. If it cannot break the downward trend, it is probably going to get cooked. Bitcoin will cook it. Okay, so really, that's what you need to watch. Now, I'll show you some momentum. Look, the weekly didn't close yet, but you can see we had a cross up on the weekly, but nothing confirming, nothing trending here. And now it looks like it's going to do a fake out cross. Look on the 3-day crossing down now, 2-day crossing down, daily crossing down, man. Yep, I'll keep you posted. 2-week going down. Look, ZEBEC is in a critical moment now. If the bulls will not step in, okay. Look, if the bulls will not step in, that's your triangle. See the triangle here? All right, that's the triangle. Okay, if the bulls will not step in and hold it in the triangle and break it out, and they will fail, and the bears will win and will take that level. Look down below, my friend. You can come and retest this level and maybe even lower, man. Remember, this is crypto. It's moving with the Bitcoin cycles. Bitcoin will dump, and ZEBEC will not break out on time. ZEBEC will dump as well. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Smash the like. Look, get yourself Bitunix account. Do yourself a favor now. This is the best exchange to have for the bear market, because the only way to make ROI in a bear market, in a bearish crypto market, is shorting the F out of it. Now, there is a tutorial on how to short on the description of my video, so watch it out. Get yourself the Bitunix account with the link below. Man, this is the best exchange to trade crypto. You have tutorials on my channel. They give you even bonuses. You can trade from the US, Canada, Australia, no VPN, no KYC. Check it out. The best exchange, unbelievable exchange. My favorite one. And yeah, man, really, this is the best time actually, to join our membership, because, if you subscribe to any of these moon boys, clowns on X or on YouTube that have their Patreon nonsense, all their buy alerts, which is super unprofessional nonsense. They just tell their audience to buy and hold. That's their strategy. Now, if Bitcoin trigger a bear, their coins are going to get cooked, completely destroyed, 99.9% drawdown. They're already lost everything, these people. This is the best time to join our service, because we don't care whether Bitcoin going up or down. Bitcoin going down, we short altcoins. Bitcoin go up, we long altcoins. Easy peasy. Join our VIP, get all our trade alerts, all our market updates, all our support, man. Check it out. Link below. If you trade with big account, 50K and above, 6 digit, 7 digit, obviously, check out our elite VIP, man, for the best service in the world, the best of the best, one-on-one phone call, coaching calls, anything you need, unlimited support from me and Jomo. Check this out. See you in the next video. Cheers.